I made for ELA project Natural Disasters, which shows the Xinyi district, including Taipei 101 building and some other famous buildings around it. Elephant Mountain, Xinyi Expressway Tunnel, Huangdao Expressway, and Keelung River. For the Taipei 101 building, I also show its tune mass damper. To mimic the earthquake with the magnitude about 8, which is similar to the recent Turkey and Syria's earthquake, I put my model onto a mixing machine and produced the shaking effects caused by the movement of tectonic plates. Now let me show you how it works. As you can see here, Taipei 101 stands still encountering the earthquake because the tune mass damper helps it resist the earthquake. Some of the other buildings